Hey guys, welcome for your weekly updates, and I'm gonna be looking at the chart of Bitcoin as usual. Private members probably don't need to watch this video because it's gonna be a repeat of what I said on my video for members yesterday. Nothing changed. I don't think anything is gonna change in the next few days. I think we are in a period of consolidation accumulation of the markets, which usually always comes after capitulation. And I believe we had capitulation here, this long red candle here with this long spike of red volume, and then we had a second capitulation here on this candle with this big spike of volume. I explained this in my members video yesterday. This big spike of volume here, it shows as a green volume, but really it's almost half of it should be red. The only reason is green is because just a little bit more than half of this candle were buys, but it was almost half buys and half sells. And this is important to bring it up because it means with this huge spike of red volume and this other big spike of almost half red volume here indicates that there's probably not many more bears left to sell, which means they probably already, most of the bears, if not all, already sold the bottom. And when there's no more bears left to sell, the price can only go up. But after capitulation, we usually have a period of consolidation accumulation. It happens always after every capitulation, or almost always. Like for example here we had capitulation, you see the huge candle with a huge volume, and after that a slow consolidation accumulation period where big players were buying dips here and preparing for the coming bull market here, for the coming upswing. We can go in the past anytime. After capitulation, you have a period of consolidation accumulation. For example, here, this was capitulation. You can see the long candle and the high volume. And after that, a long period of consolidation accumulation before the bull market starts. Same in the bear markets in 2013. You can see this is capitulation. You can see it because there's always a long candle with high volume. This is capitulation, and then a long period of consolidation accumulation before the next bull market starts. If you see here, this is a long candle with a very high spike of red volume. It means this was the last bears selling the bottom. In the next long candle down, you see there's no more volume here, there's no more red volume because there were no more bears. Like all the bears that needed to sell the bottom, they already sold the bottom here. And so after that you have a period of consolidation accumulation before the bull market starts. So I believe we are in that period now of consolidation accumulation after capitulation. Like I said yesterday, on my video yesterday, there's still room for bigger capitulation. If we didn't have capitulation yet, there's still room for the bearish case going to 20,000, as I've been saying almost in most of my videos recently. But I think that's the least likely option because Bitcoin didn't have a blow off top this time. If Bitcoin had a blow off top, I would be calling for a bigger capitulation down to near 20,000 for sure. So I'll show you here. If we go to the monthly candles, you can see this is the third month that we've been consolidating down here, the 20-month moving average. So if we look in the past, historically, every bear market ended with capitulation from the 20-month moving average down to the 50-month moving average. It happened here and it happened here. So, but like I said, this only happens when Bitcoin has blow-off tops. Since Bitcoin didn't have a blow-off top, I don't think we need to have such a dramatic capitulation this time. I think we already had capitulation, and we are now on consolidation accumulation, preparing for the next bull market, for the next upswing here. But like I always say, nothing is impossible in markets. If we were going to break below the 20-month moving average and you know, actually stay below it and close candles below it, then yeah, I would be more concerned about going down to 20,000. But as of right now, I still see that as the least likely option. So yeah, I think we are in a period of consolidation accumulation. Good time to buy the dips. I didn't do my second buy for the HODL portfolio. I talked about my HODL portfolio on my previous video the last week here on YouTube. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it. I will leave the link down below. So I only did the first buy. So this portfolio is going to be $2,000 in 8 different coins, very similar with the portfolio that I did back in 2019. So I will do it in 2 entries. The first entry I did it already. This was when Bitcoin was down here at the 78.6. And I bought 4 different coins. This portfolio, as of right now, is still up 2.4%. So we are still a little bit up, but basically very close. We are right now very close from my initial entry. I'm planning to do the second buy tomorrow or the day after. And so I'm just saying it here on YouTube because if you guys are interested in copying my portfolio or in knowing which are my picks, join the membership today or tomorrow because I'm going to be, most probably I'm going to be doing the second buy tomorrow or the day after. So if you're interested at all, join the membership soon. And you can still enter for almost the same price as I entered on my first entry here. Like I said, we are up 2.5% right now. So I'm going to be giving 50% discount on any plan only for the first 3 people to use the discount code. I'm going to be leaving the code down in the description as well. So you guys have some time to join, like I said, if you're interested at all. And other than that, I think we're going to have a slow period, so maybe for the next couple of months before everything starts to pick up. And this includes Bitcoin and altcoins. Altcoins, for example, I have Rune here. Rune is just one example, but there's a number of altcoins, at least the ones that we are looking at on our membership. They exited their downtrend channel with a very decisive candle and forming a forced double bottom. Forced double bottoms are more bullish than regular double bottoms. I have a tutorial on that as well, which I shared for members recently. And I think basically everything is setting up right now for consolidation accumulation before everything really starts to go up and skyrocket. So that's all for this quick video. I think the best entry here would have been the 618. I didn't do it because I'm not feeling in a rush. I didn't do my second entry for the HODL portfolio because I'm not feeling in a rush. I think we're gonna, like I said, I think we're gonna have a slow period, but probably the 618 would have been the perfect time to add the rest of the coins to the portfolio here. And I think this is all for this short video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.